Aro pala jan we 50 euro yan hin na ye gun we Ibizugbe mi e one multi nu be ya danyo. Oh, don't love to your fefe nu wakare. Come and say it.
Oh, Ibizugbe, you lose. You see? Ibizugbe, u take one, but you take him serious because you have a Agboyage we already know. Anyway, banana GPC in came because they will see I better leave that one now with the Chris for France. Go and leave that one. Because you did not stand frame like a man. You did not stand frame like a man. That's the reason why they ignore your talk. They take your talk for granted. Because your talk is like, it's it can dig me. Understand? Or see, Ibizugbe. Una gbese no gbewe e ka rin gbese soku no ya oge e ma no dey in sinu they will bless you. Understand now? They will definitely bless you. But because una ya ri egbebe o tu dan itu ilalobo itu won ore itu nu ba oge asen utu na ye mo yi no ba ma ore o a grand game monica. I would jam with my papa with this man. They put up on their body. Water. Udamina. Una ya deba tu. What work be destiny. That's the reason why they look at you as inferior. You understand me now? Okay now. Eba we after we ask again. They must come for you, Ibizugbe. Get it ready. That's GPC for you. When you denounce from GPC, you have problem with them. When I dropped the post of presidential Gogoroswo, he dropped hey, he now said he bina. He said he be no mat be. He said he kume. I dropped that post now. I am no longer the president, I am now the king. I give myself the king. No, I am not the king of media. They come for me. Aye, baby, you know, I you never my way going. I slow gongun we. I so ya here, but so make so love of you. If we ever dinner, abe, for this no, but so you're mark so allow a lappy win. If we who na making subject ya, when they una so subject no, when I don't can lappy here. You understand? But my brother, you couldn't understand. GPC, they will come for you physically, they will come for you spiritually. Oh, the beauty of work. You understand? Ibizugbe, you have to be prepared, get ready. Isaga, well, no, I'm not Isaga you now. I tell you the reality. Oh, Sarugwe ni mosi. Oh, Sarugwe ni meyagwe. Oh, Sarugwe ni meyagwe. Gaze go yogo re ya mami otome. Iwo so go yogo re ya mami otima o. O Sarugwe ni mayagwe o wedagbe maya. O Sarugwe o ni meyagwe. O kwegbe. Lare Ibizugbe do are go le go super chat po. Gesu pata ki gosara $10. Ibizugbe, you go miabuki. Lare, do are go lele. JPC, enoke wi. Ewi ya bundu rego ni wa ego na wa ya dewi. Ya wa no gila no gela ma. Ewi gela ma. Ewi boy gela ma. Ugala investor ewi. Ela ma, I invest you ewi. We buy invest you ewi. I invest you ewi. Every day we there. Every day, Olotumade, Ode, Baba Egbe, we do, Olotu, we buy invest. Here is a one and one and one, not a week, one and we. You understand? Ibizugbe, they will come for you, GPC, and when no one in your motor, where is a saga motor steady way Ben, when in the steady have been. You understand? A GPC, you have to sit down comfortable every time. Si wa nga GPC to tak gege ginu san we araga o gele violin ya woto mo ko yan me why problem in GPC man right from birth man their problem you might is solving men they never fit solve him lare mo we saga 1 year ogba na saga GPC bi atawo ni tayoji iwe 350 years saga continue 300 years year be wo ohun ro pa re I die there we die here. You tell me why we are because they are evil people. They know who are going to go. You tell me why it's like my way is 350 years. Yeah, let's celebrate about 1 year. Nikisaga. No good. Or by 1 year, few months just now. By 1 year, you can't beg me Sigmund. Why beg me Sigmund master? You tell me he went to beg me Sigmund master. You think it's joke? Not be joke. You understand? It's not a charge play. As I dey put up for your body, I go put up for your body. Ogunbaza. GPC eke magwalo. GPC eke magwalo. GPC eke no konkon yagwalo. Gẹ́gẹ́ bá bọ̀lá yàgbìnà. Gẹ́gẹ́ àmà ẹ̀ báwo pápá tún. Láre lọ́lọ́ wá ti lọ́lọ́ gùn rẹ̀. Wá ti organic fish gùn rẹ̀ o. Àbí organic nation. Wá ti organic nation gùn rẹ̀. Lórí yẹn prayer point is zakata every year. Prayer point is la boskala. Na lọ́lọ́ wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ náà. Wọ́n ní la boskala yìí. Ọ̀wé la boskala yìí. Scatter by fire. Scatter by fire. Every evil gun. Scatter by fire. Every evil gun. La boskala. Rekada redede. Why rekada redede? Or when the president will denounce. The president will denounce. Rekada redede. No, what is rekada redede? Or when the president must denounce. The president must denounce. Ayamanaga. Eka do. No. Or when the president yado. Or hado. Oh, we no prayer. Papa would spend a prayer. Oh, my Western. Oh, we look at this monster. We look at this monster. Now we Lolo. Lolo was or when you got this monster, or had this monster to have saga. La busca. I will go. Lolo, you said he will fast. Oh, you can't. Oh, we will spend one more time. La busca. We are ready, Lolo, to ta. No, ya win, la busca. Lolo was no now. A fasting, no. Fasting, Viedo. Fasting, no. Why giving a fasting, see? What is your not in Yagby? A fasting, no. What is your not in Yagby? A fasting, no. What is your not in Yagby? Prayer, fasting a prayer, fasting a prayer, no. Give fasting a prayer, giving a fasting a prayer, see. La busca. Italian. Ibizugbe, egui, anywhere. Where you denounce. You don't know what is la busca. That's the reason why.
Agwabuwa.
Okay.
Imigowa. Digo pani mie wo buwa.
Okay.
Ma wa vie wigi every day by then wa la wigi wa la kmogi la mi yagi. Demi no unu wa seni me wa. Ona mi we ogi me uwa gbe me yo. Ayi wa. I don't send you now. Make you na carry on a cross. On a carry on a bad man go that side. I don't do what I want to do. It's been on the doing it. No one be appreciated. We don't appreciate it. No one be appreciated. Fuck you, motherfuckers. Okay? I'm back to my politics. I'm back to my politics. If I not I why. Be ka de gya robi obi ma si mo no gida mo okona na mo fo lati Monica e Monica mi tayo woro obi ma obi gbogbo bi okan nekere ereba wa ma bege ya
Okay.
wa ya ni po boyo e ka be finiti saga ya ereba wa ma bege wa tayo e no gero obi mi ala do tie Fulani e Ibizugbe Fulani wa tayo wa me mi wa tayo come. Who won't let me Sagara make it focus on me? Who don't want let me Sagara? Why I could be or appreciating it? They can win as a president. Now, who more that making I may not be. I will not be. You go another time. Who draw me for Saga? Yeah. Who draw me for Saga? Yeah. Just love you. Leave me alone. Appreciate what I've done for you people. Just like that. Leave me alone. Egani ya roni emi ni unwa okoni kon e peace ni viore appreciate it. Okay? They to pay memory. Okpa kana do tama ewe yes president ha pay no si se na pay no ni owe think ba very.
Oh. My brother Ugale lo dans le be. Oye mo je me avie. You understand? Oja my really. Ewe isuna. Because why? You follow the wrong people. When you follow the right people, when you follow the real leaders, you will become a leader. They will give you ladder to climb. When you follow demonic people, you always remain stagnant in one place. You understand? So all this saga, underground piece you have been making all this while, no pin, no 1 naira, we don't get since then. Umami, we are want to born one saga Rita, threatening Rita family go reach the house. You don't get 1 pin for all those threats. For all those threats. GPCA, anybody not follow the life of Monica's lifestyle end up being in problem. Always end up in problem. Vivian Lele supported Monica again. Rita went to arrest my family. Yeah, arrested my junior brother. That time they support Monica. Now Monica anger. Now Rita arrest my papa. My junior brother for Nigeria. And now they still give me the same business make I do. Make I announce say whoever know Rita Papa has 50,000 naira. You understand? I want that arrested. But you go sagi. You understand? If you that arrest sagi, but now they still bail amu. Now they still bail sagi. The money will they bail sagi. Now the same person now still bail sagi. You understand? I must talk the truth. That's why I say I don't know the good time again. Now they still bail my brother. You dey feel me so? You just follow them. You will remain in one place. Iya make your body, you know. Or if you nyak be no sa morak mo re, they go dey give you hope. They go dey give you hope. They go dey give you hope. Inside hopeless. Nothing they don't do for you. Immediately you come against them, you turn their enemy. Immediately you tell them the truth about them, you turn their enemy. Immediately you tell them the truth about them. The person where talk say no can go announce that matter. Me and you today we know they talk again. Maggie Guan because where or you only say Monica, I must say Monica. My boy, man, enemy Maggie Guan for today. He promised me heaven and earth. Me not promise you. Foul. These are GPC gang. These are GPC gang. Avec bien non, et venir à cette qui ou sota, il y a une taille. La vie de taille là. Et na oui ya we ne do ama. Ivyo kane. Ivyo kane o. Evie mana he. Ovio mana he. Evie mana ru da he bedu. E na evio gui. We be say the get. Maybe we are with you when as a president. We are president here. They could just call you. They are disappointed now as you denounce. Ibizugbe, they tell you. Immediately, all of them stand for Monica back. Not be the men who, not their wife. These are married people. They're their wife, now they follow Monica. So as soon as their wife, they follow Monica, they go, they follow their wife, they follow. When you come against Monica, you become their enemy. You become their household enemy. They go bullshit you. Anything you say you. I'm a man of myself. I make my decision. I know what's not the now truth. No matter you go beg me here, well, that's me for you. Oh, what me idea we bo. More when you when I beg go like we boy. That's why no man in control me. They tell me what I want to do. I stand to be alone. I listen to everybody, and I pick sense from all their words and make sense from it my own. And my decision will be final. That's me for you. You understand me so? That's one saga Monica. No, I don't already see the inward of it and see the outward of it and the realm of the spirit, the spiritual realm of it. I don't see how I be. You guys cannot stop me not to speak. I stand to speak. No matter what you do. That's what I tell us. If you like, block all my page and I got into the open page to speak the truth to the world, to know the kind of person who wanna be. That's stupid GPC gang. Even here do it in our level or yago yang or yago. O tu ni oni ria to the level. Here on ya na mewe ya do akpe gian. Any man a deliver or guy. Iya uzo ya ade ya me ya hikuta ya gwa we ama Elize is tiwi ha se ba ni ale podo jaka iya me go be ni atari ya me go a president work that dem do aso na to odo aso we na moto na nzo so gefia na we ni ya gowa ni eke gbina nuwa ni eke konuwa shishi ya mami no me even na arrest oti me bari na arrest so sage bani no me dinya ye pin me 1 naira dinya dori me uwe that video ni uni dori ye pin 1 cent me uwe and my brother was being detained in the police custody in zone 5 1 pin dori ye me uwe we are for doing that thing so amount when my bros you quit on no you never see anything like that. GPC, they go use you, chew you, finish, throw away you like joystick. And here yagbe. Also a fat boy, a fanamoti on like because here I'm. These are the people that will tell you, in our wuko, what we tie, every big woman, in our wuko, yaga a wuko, what he tell do ati, in ati, no get gone. The problem between a Nogi and Ivie na GPC dey inside. Na GPC dey inside. A Nogi they try to press Ivie. If Ivie want to talk, Ivie is the kind of a woman that is always respecting all those women. It could imagine or loyal, even a very loyal woman. You understand? Very all set in the Bible when. If you are this going no no give money. Yeah, when you no give no devil. Of your no give no. If you get large, no of your no give woto. You don't get not to them like that where if you somebody have been calling me and you know I don't forgive you, but you offend me. I don't forget you. We not the quarrel. You the quarrel. Wagui. When we here to chest in we here to chest TV. Or you will the time we not the quarrel. Who you the fool? You the fool yourself. Because you feel say if you're not going to come out to talk to you. Also not an idea where if you're going to button. If you might want to I can if you where my way who will withdraw from the who will review yeko. On not tell them wow we were on a madam. It do a live video. A video me phone me made day. Yawe live video with data me internet me okpa I pay yo the need to have not ni pay loyalty to uhan yana go me na tem ata no no ni no benefit the general public am I be money someone am I be e kon egbe no so wo ni ogun gbasen a hello I agree to you. I did live video. Okay, leave my speaker.
Medo ati mo ila speaker.
Oh, the speaker.
Okay, domo sa.
Yeah.
Inogi. Omomo ikatabo worry we. Despite where waboma buy a party or whatever does not mean where whenever you go wrong, the person no go tell you say this thing you are doing is very bad. When we marry phone or have to wear. Who work if you they not supposed not take me.
Okay.
Because now if you Latin or to who work one where Babe Frank or Cookman, who got the one on me when. Why Val Cookman and may have throughout the video. I haven't watched the video. Oh, go where I tell ya.
Yes, now.
Or when you tear or when you tear in there, what take
why exactly.
No one moon on not tell no give we. Onati Frankie.
Yeah.
Of which the Frank on where no get we on your win.
Yes.
And when I am Frank, and when I am Buba or two way, Yakuba. When I am not time where we go, mammy, and in way, when in Abigail went to Abigail went to go. And we got a time so we get him and Abigail get Yakuya, but not a video party, enemy toilet. Utane, Utane. You understand?
Yes.
And the video no know there. This boy, you are very useless. This is okay. Umenwan. Omo worry we. Because even Umenwan we can't tell the we no ya ku Monica Kwa. Eti we no ya ku bi kwa Monica Kwa video.
Yes.
Utemo panene no ke we video no there. A video no una so. Obe they repeated the same thing. O we enti ti we video ba e me nega we. But utala nela ta unu. Ukemeka, uwemene na be emene e Monica. Monica, what's the man soon you Monica?
Exactly. Honestly, you review. Honestly, you
Monica. You a problem let me tell you the reason most time. The reason why people they always watch you will not get. Let me tell you. Now because of some of your comments, there's no good thing where in anything you are saying. Because even men are calling, I'm calling from Nigeria. Multi weapon the video. WhatsApp now where waiting be the name of this thing for
YouTube.
For YouTube,
yeah,
they have to go to YouTube now access it. Because even you, someone like what I want to go listen to for them. Whenever I see her for when I propose with content, now just like commenting, that mostly they make people the watcher. That you commenting. On I am anything.
Yes.
Apart from that one, there's no other good thing coming out from me. You understand?
Yeah.
I'm on wait here party or tell me my way. Where if you don't wear with us, what's on manner for not to wear? Who work on the way supposed to take the Uber, but where you feel?
Yes.
What is supposed to for not to be where you feel? What where I wear, baby, don't look at when I said them, but to not Latin, who don't wear on or say cigar. Even said there are many people no man give you a cigar, say, where is your when a Latin?
Exactly.
A lot of people man give you a cigar. A lot of people who when I say fear in an Latin, but what I wear mount here, making it mount here. A point is a damn one, away full and 40 is a forever. That's why you have been a children and whatever does not mean your maturity. That is what the word that comes out from you and your way of behavior that make you mature. You understand?
Exactly.
There's a damn way. You know what here when every back way. At least as a human being, you have to reason the thing to yourself. Because that's why I say we're backing. Know your things even when not support where Yahweh, if you only have Yahweh, it does not work that way. Because you are not Ifye. Ifye is not you. Because both of you now mentality is very different from each other. You understand? Also, because even when any do hula and any according to your daughter, where baby boy, very foolish. Nigeria, I believe where I can't be a thing you bought was because his mentality is very dull. He does not have anything not said. It's very dull. It's very dull. Every reason before we reason before every reason only when you water man. So no before before anything at all. Party. Okay, you are doing something that is very wrong. Who wants to what's your come out here?
Exactly.
You are very foolish. Or someone like you, somebody like you, I will be your friend. My brother will kick you out. He will kick you out.
Exactly.
Before we get where we are, when we say what kind of nonsense is that? If I cannot talk to you, then you cannot be my friend. If I cannot correct you, then you cannot be my friend. Then if you correct when who will Latin, who will gear, who will have party money, who will have a carnival, and the navigation TV, we will give you attack. Every year, so attack, any point, that point does not have sense.
You know, get them from Nigeria.
If the lady cannot correct you, why is he your party? Why is he your friend?
Okay.
Why both of you call each other party? Meaning, let you correct you well. Very foolish and very useless somebody. Also, I beg you.
Thank you very much, bros. What's it? You know, good. From Nigeria, we are doing a good work on already call now. Can't call him when I tell you YouTube, we not spell any audio or not send a message now. Understand? No, without being told, we are worry. Hello. Good afternoon, man. Hello, how you doing, Inic? I'm wishing the same. I'm on live screen. Okay. Of course, let me put it on speaker.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Good afternoon, Hans. When I just attack Enugu, they attack Enugu. Now if you now blame, where because if you will carry Enugu, small boy, if you see no Enugu, I hear when we go they call for Enugu platform, they tell and say, if is our baby, a baby man or imagine. If he is 44 years old or going to 45, is senior stainless, stadium, all of the senior Monica. You understand me?
Exactly.
If you want if you want lay your bed, that's how people will look at it. Or when we are when she
exactly.
You understand? Because all full bear man no give up over a samagua can I jabo if you can any Monica not here mama magic God forbid bad thing. Almighty my respected by the social media now. At all. Imagine for if na Nigeria we day, forget say we day abroad. Say na Nigeria we day say if you respect no okay, mama domo mama both a sister okay cannot TVA. Why blame no Gigbe?
Over here is 17 years now. We've been not doing 17 years.
Monica option. You still see one time. So let's not get a view on I'm new for anyhow. I can not have your game. A man, I know you're blocking the journey.
Yeah.
But or Basel, something like that.
Yeah.
When something happened between them, that time. And Joe Basel, it's not Joe Basel. It's not Joe Basel. Or to go now call it, okay. Here is our baby, imagine. I just pack of you join. You understand? How woman just do you don't know? You know some people respect for yourself. No matter the mistake you've done before, you can still correct it. No matter anything. You understand me? Yeah. Respect yourself. Hey, Monica, when Eloge ya lalo ni say Monica. Oh
exactly.
But Monica join. You can join. So what I can about when I don't get about what I bone, Eloge, no Katia Bona, Emaya, the social media now. Emaya no joy, a lolo, name you a power, all of them. He sort all of them. So you know, if you are college, what was it? Now the same thing now. One of the attack Eloge. Eloge, they call some people a senior. So if you they call put. So if you, Eloge, what's your benefit here? Because I can support you when I tell you and no say rubbish people.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay. Very good flight. No for any way solitary. You see, in every nonsense, there's always a sense of you understand me now. Enogi, ogre respect Monica. Hey Monica ya go maku. But I will believe you. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, this speaker.
Hello. Like this madam we just talk finish just now. This life, this life. When someone that is bigger than you draw you little boy or little baby closer, that does not mean the person does not have sense or he does not know what he's doing. There's never a time he's a nogi, because it's very useless and very stupid. as a little person, one little no one with here. Or where or what had out one. On that time, Lily, having no one
Yeah.
Then by tomorrow, who would put away having no one of white baby, or because of that thing, you are back to take whatever they are doing, you will not take it for granted. There's never a time we blame such person you share. You want that someone like me, or wow, no, or what can or our young
exactly.
Our young can many Medina, or not say many ego team kakapo.